Hello everyone, you are watching the channel Incredible Facts. We know about motors of incredible power, mainly installed on sports cars and muscle cars, but engines with a lot of horsepower are just as important for trucks, and today we will show you the 7 most powerful trucks in the world. The Cascadia keeps maintenance simple with a full tilt hood for easy engine access, a removable dash panel, and an in-cab vault containing the fuse and relay box. When you add smarter connectivity powered by Detroit Connect, you get a semi-truck that's built to keep your fleet moving. The Freightliner Cascadia is a heavy-duty semi-trailer truck produced by Freightliner Trucks. Its design took fuel efficiency into great consideration, as well as having improved upon several other features, including the powertrain offerings, sound mitigation, safety systems, and overall mechanical reliability from its predecessors. It is offered in 3 basic configurations: day cab, mid-roof XT, and raised roof. The latter 2 models are sleeper cabs, offered in various lengths, ranging from 48 to 72 inches, raised roof models available for 60 or 72 lengths only. The Cascadia was sold chiefly in North America until 2020, when an export, primarily geared towards the Australian and New Zealand markets, was introduced. Prior to the introduction of the export variant, its place remained occupied by the Freightliner Century, no longer in U.S. production, for export markets. The Lonestar has the big bore power performance of the Cummins X15 engine for the heaviest of hauls, but it's also got the efficiency to keep costs down, with an aerodynamic design that reduces drag and adds fuel efficiency. According to Navistar, the Lonestar was developed to create an advanced classic truck, meeting the design elements of vehicles from the past, with 21st century technology and aerodynamics. The company cited its primary design influence as the late 1930s International Harvester DSERIES-34 as a large extended hood conventional. The Lonestar also was similar to the classic-style International 9900X and its competitors, featuring a large grille and bumper, external air filter containers, vertical mount, exhaust. The final model of the NGV series to enter production, the Lonestar was developed in only 24 months, from beginning to end. Following its initial development on computers and clay models, the company shifted directly to production, bypassing the assembly of traditional prototypes. 5 In line with the more contemporary design of the International ProStar, the exterior of the Lonestar was aerodynamically optimized. In comparison to the 9000 series and similar trucks, the Lonestar was projected to increase its fuel economy by up to 15%. 43 The Anthem is a long hood conventional, designed for highway use. It can have a day cab or 2 different sleeper compartments. It has aerodynamic aid standards, and others are available. Normally a 6x4 3 axles 2 powered, there are also 6x2 3 axles 1 powered models. Mack Anthem's tilt assist hood and functional, modular design allow service professionals to access, repair and replace components more quickly. With bold design, tough engineering, and a highly comfortable interior, Mack Anthem is built for your business and designed for drivers. Eases driver effort by reducing driver effort by up to 85% and reducing driver strain by up to 30%. Command steer helps reduce the risk of long-term injury. Stays the course. Command steer holds the lane during unexpected course changes to help drivers stay on track and on time. Improved maneuverability with featherlight steering at low speeds. Getting in and out of loading zones is quick and easy. During parking, reversing, and other low-speed maneuvers, the steering wheel automatically returns to zero, saving drivers from wear-related injuries. Mack Anthem challenges the expectations of aerodynamic design with a bold look that dramatically improves efficiency. DAF Trucks NV is a technology company and the premier commercial vehicle manufacturer in Europe. DAF is a wholly owned subsidiary of Packer Incorporated, the global technology leader in the design and manufacturing of premium quality light, medium and heavy-duty commercial vehicles. DAF Trucks NV is a technology company and the premier commercial vehicle manufacturer in Europe. DAF is a wholly owned subsidiary of Packer Incorporated, the worldwide quality leader in the design and manufacture of premium light, medium and heavy-duty commercial vehicles. Packer also designs and manufactures advanced diesel engines and provides financial services and information technology, and distributes truck parts related to its principal business. DAF offers a complete range of trucks from 7.5 tons gross vehicle weight up to 50 tons gross combination weight and above. All DAF products are of superior quality and developed for a great variety of transport applications. By continuously listening to the customer, DAF has developed an exciting range of modern products focused on providing the lowest operating cost per kilometer in the industry, excellent transport efficiency, and maximum comfort for the driver. The Iveco Tracker is a truck especially for heavy construction site and off-road use. He is considered particularly robust and reliable. It is equipped with either a Cursor 9 or Cursor 13 engine. For the Tracker, a total of 7 different power levels from 228 kilowatts, 310 horsepower, to 368 kilowatts, 500 horsepower, are available. The quarry and construction vehicle market only accounts for a small part of the heavy vehicles, with GVW over 16 tons. But this does not prevent it from being extremely complex, because of the many applications. Vehicles with 2, 3 or 4 axles or all-wheel drive, a wide range of power deliveries, from 270 to 480 HP for Iveco, trucks and tractors. lighter oversized models, and special variants for special outfits, to which we must add the national peculiarities, because quarry and construction vehicles usually operate in the countries where they are registered and are subject to weight and size limitations, deriving from old highway codes, which can be higher than the standardized European limits. And finally, the type of land, the geographical features and climatic conditions, demand different configurations in terms of drive axles and power delivery. The Mercedes-Benz Actros is a heavy-duty truck introduced by Mercedes-Benz at the 1996 Commercial Vehicle IAA in Hanover, Germany, as the replacement for the SK. It is normally used for long-distance haulage, heavy-duty distribution haulage, and construction. Haulage.The Actros delivers an exemplary performance in long-distance transportation and distribution applications. It was especially developed for these tasks, and therefore offers the best basis for your individual operation. The Actros meets your requirements by offering various model solutions and corresponding applications. The powerful, robust Actros powertrain incorporates more than 120 years of experience in truck production, fulfilling highest quality standards. All components are designed and built for highest robustness, withstanding most extreme climate conditions, difficult terrains and demanding applications. But above all, it delivers precisely the power you need for all long-haul transportation and distribution tasks.